Hotwire Review Watch before using. Most travelers assume booking last-minute hotels or flights is stressful, but Hotwire promises discounted travel deals through opaque pricing. Hotwire is an online travel booking platform that offers deals on hotels, flights, rental cars, and vacation packages. One standout feature is Hot Rate Deals, where you see a discounted price, but not the exact hotel or airline until after booking. This can save up to 60% compared to standard rates. Most people get this wrong. They think opaque bookings are risky. The surprising truth is that Hotwire uses advanced filtering and reviews to ensure quality, letting you choose general location, star rating, and amenities, so you have control while still getting steep discounts. Another advantage is convenience. Hotwire consolidates multiple travel services in one platform, allowing you to book flights, hotels, and cars quickly. Mobile app alerts can help track price drops for last-minute deals. However, there are considerations. Hot rate bookings are non-refundable, and you may have limited customization. Also, flight and hotel changes can be costly or impossible after booking. Understanding the trade-off between price and flexibility is key. In conclusion, Hotwire is ideal for flexible travelers seeking deep discounts, particularly for last-minute bookings. If you can adapt to limited visibility on exact properties or flights, it's a smart way to save money. Subscribe for more honest travel service reviews before you click book now.